Every great journey begins with a vision. A vision to transform India's water bodies from silent landscapes into living destinations. Our story began in 2080 at Gangrel, the first drop that sparked a wave of change from the banks of the Sabarmati River in Ahmedabad. Entartica SeaWorld expanded its horizon to Rajsamand, Raipur, Coimbatore, Patratu, Barnala, Bharatpur. Each destination transformed into a stage of adventure. With jet skis, houseboats, party boat, flyboards, aqua cycles, and pontoon rides. We are the pioneers of floating celebrations in India. Proudly introducing our signature floating weddings. From bridal boat entries to floating wedding fairas, we are changing the future of weddings, not on land but on water, where love is eternal and every vow meets the horizon. From floating Christmas carnivals to Holi on the waves to New Year's Eve that lit up the waters, we've redefined how India celebrates. We are not just creating attractions, we are shaping the future of leisure. We are rewriting the way India celebrates. We are setting a new benchmark in adventure tourism.